So now I'm gonna throw this on, and then it's time to deal with some turbo stuff, finally.
When's the last time you worked with those guys? Did you just hit you up on Instagram? Yeah.
It means the world to me and Jeremiah that you guys have been so supportive and so positive towards us launching this channel, and it means the absolute world to me that you're here watching this video right now. So thank you, I appreciate you. Now let's get this engine back together. Okay, this is the exhaust manifold I have. I have no idea what brand it is. It just came on the car when I bought it, so we're gonna keep using it. I had to cut off the wastegate flange and weld on a new one for the new wastegate that I got. And this intake manifold also came with the car back when I bought it. This is just a knockoff Greddy intake manifold. It should be fine. Still got the fuel rail on it. And now the real icing on the cake. We got this Garrett GTX 3576R ball bearing turbo. This thing is so nice. Nicest turbo I ever had. It is, in honesty, a little bit big for my power goals right now, but we'll grow into it over time.
Yeah.
What?
Grow into it. How does that work?
When I, put forged internals in the bottom end and we can make 550.
You're taking this thing out?
Eventually, yeah.
It's an ultimate sick.
What do you mean?
You just had everything out. You
Uh-huh.
done it.
No way, dude. I set out to prove that you could put together a reliable 400 horsepower RB25 in your garage with no machine shop, okay? We'll do that, and then we're gonna want more power. Wow. With that, I think this engine is ready to go in the car. It's been a lot of work, we did a lot of stuff, but I'm feeling pretty good about how this engine came together, and I think it's gonna run flawlessly. But while putting the engine together was a lot of work, we've got a ton of work left to try to get it into this car and get it running, which is what we're gonna do on the next one. We're gonna throw a transmission on that engine, throw them both in this car, and get this thing back up and running so that we can drift it. We've got some more mods and stuff planned for this car, but I wanna slide this thing around finally, and I don't wanna do it by myself. We wanna have an event out at Apple Valley Speedway in the future once this thing's done, and we want you guys to be there. So stay tuned for that, but that's what we're working towards. I'm gonna get this thing running, get it sliding, and I want you to come.